Hi, it's Andrew from Wild Earth, and today I'm going to review my Darche Eco Eclipse 180 awning, which I've been putting through its paces for the last 5 months, and so far I've got nothing but praise for it. If you've watched my install or setup reel, you'll have seen just how quick and easy it is to use. It can be mounted to a roof platform or roof bars in about 15 minutes, and it can be set up by a single person in under 3 minutes. So the awning itself is 18 kilograms. It's got a packed dimensions of 2.2 meters long, 180 millimeters wide and 160 millimeters tall, and comes with a generous 4-year warranty thanks to Darche. Okay, so I'm going to set the awning up now. We'll have a chat about it as we go. While it's not technically a freestanding awning, it has the ability to support its own weight with a robust heavy-duty aluminium swivel hinge system, which is something that I really love about it, and it makes it so quick and easy for a single person to set up. This is really important for me now with a young family. I can set the awnings up myself while my wife looks after our little ones. Another thing I really love about this awning is its generous size, providing 8.2 square meters of shade and shelter. It's perfect for a quick lunch break while traveling, as well as being base camp on extended stays. It can also be fitted out with the optional addition of sidewalls, significantly increasing the undercover area. We opted for the 180-degree awning option for our current setup and find this provides more than enough shelter. However, if you require even more cover, there is a 270-degree awning option available, which provides 11.5 square meters of shelter. Darche is actively involved in sustainability and very conscious about looking after the environment. This has led to their development of the Eco range, which utilizes their Eco WGAF 280 GSM recycled fabric. Not only is this a sustainable option, but it has all the properties needed, including a 5,000mm waterhead rating, to remain strong, robust, and withstand the harsh Australian conditions. The awning is protected by a tough 820D nylon bag, keeping it clean and safe when stowed away during travel. So as you can see, it really is that quick and easy. The awning also comes with guy ropes and pegs, which can be used to secure it if it's windy, but also to pull down the front to sort of keep off any weather if it's raining, so it stops pooling on the awning. There's also 2 extra poles, one for the front and the rear, again if it's windy. The mine support's really nice on the roof bar, so I don't find those necessary. So overall, I'm very happy with this awning. It's super easy and super quick to set up. It's a great size and we find it's perfect for all our travels and adventures. It's made from high quality sustainable materials and it looks good. If you're in the market for a new awning for your vehicle, check out the Darche range and jump on Wild Earth today.